It may not be a snowstorm, but it is going to be a major storm impact Ohio in the next 36 to 48 hours. Your 7 a.m. surface map Tuesday morning across the central and southern parts of the United States. Low pressure located across the deep south. You can see an influx of moisture coming out of the Gulf of Mexico. A severe thunderstorm watch already in effect. That went until 8 a.m. Eastern time. It has now expired, but shows you what this storm is going to do. It's going to become more and more active as it moves to the east. An outbreak of severe weather is likely across the deep south on the day Tuesday. Future View map shows that it's going to make its way to the northeast. It's going to cross near the Memphis, Tennessee area, and then across the Ohio Valley. It's basically going to go just east of I-71, right across the east central part of Ohio. Central part of that could go over the Cambridge, New Cumberstown, Cadiz area. So keep an eye on the barometers at home. It's really going to take a nosedive. Once this makes its way to the northeast, the backside of it's going to pull in cooler air, and that rain will change to snow. Now let's take a look at the precipitation map. This is the QPF, quantitative precipitation forecast. Easy for you to say. Across the state of Ohio and adjacent states, the central part of Ohio along and 50 miles either side of I-71 look to be the target for the heaviest precipitation. 1 3/4 to 2 inches of rain, very possible along that corridor, and you can see other locations outlined there as well. So take a look at your location across the Buckeye State and the chances of precip that are in that area. Now let's take a look at the traveler's forecast for the state of Ohio for the day on Wednesday. It looks like this. Rain is likely border to border across the entire state of Ohio. Daytime highs range from the upper 30s in northwest Ohio, where they'll be on the northwest side of that low pressure system, to the low 60s across the deep south. And don't be surprised if your backdoor thermometer hits the low 60s in eastern Ohio as well. With that in mind, let's take a look at your local 5-day forecast. So the rain changes to snow on Thursday. There could be an accumulation of a couple, 3 inches in isolated spots. It doesn't look to be a real major thing. The biggest thing will be the rapidly falling temperatures behind the system. The precipitation that's left on the road might freeze rather quickly. Just be careful with that. We got a cool down that's only going to last a couple of days, and by the end of the weekend, we'll be back into the low to mid 40s.